Hello Hot Wheel dudes and dudettes, this is Gandalf 236 Cat coming at you with another video. On this episode of Hot Wheels Old and New Review, I'll be taking a look at this Blast Lane motorcycle. It's from the 2001 Skull and Crossbones series. This is a really nice looking bike. Really cool. Got the purple rims, as you can see. Really nice. Really cool looking motorcycle. And it's got some tappos here. Look at those. Yep. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe. Bye for now.